against the blue and green L-Drago. So our battles will be in the Hyperstrike Stadium. 3, 2, 5 rounds, so now round 1. So now let's be commencing with round 1. Whoa, pretty awesome! Pretty awesome! Our winner is the blue Pegasus with a score of 1-0, so now round 2. Okay, so now let's do this. Come on, Pegasus. Special move. Unpredictable. Right there. Right there. We just saw this. Unpredictable. Go up here. Unpredictable. I did not predict that. I just predicted this Beyblade would win again. Okay. I don't actually know who won because I think Pegasus just knocked L-Drago out. Pegasus just stopped. Okay, I don't know for sure, but I guess the score would be 2-0, so now round 3. Okay, now let's get this started. Go, L-Drago! Pegasus! L-Drago! Pegasus! L-Drago! Pegasus! L-Drago! Pegasus! L-Drago is the winner with the score of 2-1, so now round 4. Unpredictable right now. Wait for it. My point will be made in about... Okay, let's just continue anyway. So L-Drago is slowly losing its rotation, but Pegasus is attacking. That was predictable. Now predictable for this round. That was predictable. Scores now 3-1. 3-1. Yes, 3-1. So now let's do round 5. There we go. And now L-Drago. Go, L-Drago. Pegasus. I can't believe L-Drago's not that strong against that Pegasus. Wait. Scores now 3-2. That's pretty much it. Pegasus has defeated L-Drago for 3 rounds and L-Drago won by 2. So, just remember for our next match, which will be, I can't tell you. Just guess. Anyways, please make sure you like this video, make it your favorite, and share it. Please subscribe and thanks for watching. I really hope you enjoyed this video.